What? I skipped through that. Whoops. Well. Oh, bronze shield pendant. So that's the defender pendant. We can live with those. Oh boy. Now they really decide to speed up the battle process, huh? Well. I'm not a fan, but hey. I might also be really on the level, so maybe I should be a fan. So this is the third, which... Double Cyclone. Was there anything else here? Nope. Don't look like it. Huh. Well, let's look further. Oh, look, a chest. For prestige points, and yay! Eh. Good to see that I don't even need to use a special move to score in the final stage of the game. Which I don't fully agree with, but hey, I'm happy, because I'm out of TP. Which gives me right to be happy about it. Gah! They had Pendragon. Pendragon is cool. Oh, hello. Important? Eh. Maybe somewhat. Are there doors here? Because I do kind of need to find the keycard. Which I found a keycard. Beep beep. There was maybe a battle. There's a keycard. Am I missing out on a lot of chests here? Very possibly. Do I necessarily mind? Not at all. Ah! So, I played Pendragon again, which I already knew was kind of cool. Let me just give you an idea of how cool he is. God damn it. New. So, this is how cool he looks. He's like 3rd year. Oh, he's a scout character, so I could go get him if I wanted, but I'm not gonna. But now he was in a team with a person that I didn't know how cool they looked, and that's them. And it's also clairvoyant. Oh yeah, clairvoyant, of course, but yeah. She looks really fucking cool. I'm gonna get her. Even though I might not do extra modes on this game, I'm still gonna get her. If I don't forget, which I probably will. But hey, who knows? I should not have done that. And that's my own bad, I guess. On to the next. Bots. Buzz, buzz. Should be a chest in here then. Oh no, wait. Cut! They had a special move. Which I still didn't have any TP. Whoops. I did not need a special move for them again. I know there's like on this 3rd stage or the 2nd stage there's somewhere where you can restore TP, but yeah. Good luck finding that, eh? Clone block. Interesting. This is a shop. Oh, hello, we're your enemies. Want to buy something from us? Interesting place for a shop, but like, I'm not gonna complain. I knew there was something special with these drones. The Belakers? The Baker 11 stood no chance. Haha. God! Is this getting annoying for anyone else or just me? Because it's getting annoying. There, I said it. It's getting annoying, man. Go! God bless the souls who made this game. Boy. This might lead us to the TP restore. Yep, there it is. Which also means we're close to final layer. There it is. It won't open. Let's just break it down, man. No, you ain't doing that. Alius is come back running if we make too much of a racket. Can you hear me, Evans? I'm going to unlock the door now. If my data is accurate, this door should lead to the crystal room. The crystal room, yes, it contains the source of Alius' power. It's where everything began. Well... I know the place where it all began. Mark, look at that. That's a big rock. What on earth is it? God blimey! Look at the size of it. I don't know. Don't touch the crystal. Sue, what's wrong? Hey, what was that? The big jewel. It was calling me. Yes, this is the source of their power. It's a crystal that, like, makes them way better at football. And we're not allowed to wear it. Yep. The S players use this energy from the crystal to charge themselves up. Charge themselves up? So I heard Epsilon mention something like that. They said they lost their power because they ran out of charge. So if we can stop the flow of energy from the crystal, that's right, you should be able to weaken Genesis. Security system is back online. How could it be? Back online? Interesting. Oh, there's the bots. And there's a chest there. There's perfectly 11 bots. And one is a different color. How coincidental. Subject unknown, initiating football attack sequence. Football attack bots. Fun. Eliminate, eliminate. I will, but first let me just formation match. Can I please? I cannot. 3-4-3 would kind of work, right? I'm gonna go with the 3-4-3, the wild park. Bring him to the side. Nolan to the bench. Come as a central striker. Wing strikers. Oh, he's already level 25. He's leveling up nicely. Let's go. I haven't equipped him with the boots yet, so let's quickly do that. Discipline boots. There we go. .43 guard and 57 guards. Yeah. Eliminate, 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 eliminate. Guess we're battling another team. Oh, he wants me to put Darren in? I disagree. This game is dumb, forcing me to put Darren in. Starting lineup? No, you're dumb. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun, isn't it? Does this mean you have gloves? Yeah, okay, you have the same gloves. It's the same gloves for all the goalkeepers. Great! I'm so excited about playing Darren. I feel betrayed. So it knows the names and all that. Please don't force me to play this too long. Oh my god, kid changed. Mark looks good with any kids. Darren, on the other hand. Dead Zone 2! Judah, oh, Judah's learned it, let's go. Robot guards. Oh boy. Okay, so Aphrodite, I'm gonna switch them around. Yeah. What levels are they? 37, all of them? 43 kick is the best striker. And the goalkeeper is 43. Safety first and Rocket Kabushi. Yeah. Let's shoot him up with us. I want to see Dead Zone 2 in action. It's been a while. Oh, great, good start. That happens to everybody. That's just me. That's my bad. Devil. Here goes. The three of us need to work together perfectly here. If Dead Zone was the embodiment of Royal Academy's conformity and discipline, Dead Zone 2 will show them the power of reigning strong individual personalities coming together. If Dead Zone was an addition, Dead Zone 2 is a multiplication. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, words. Energy boost, TP boost. Here it comes, Dead Zone 2. I didn't know that was mandatory, but hey, let's go. Dead Zone 2. Error. Unclassified move detected. Blah, blah. Good. It looks like as a move they're not familiar with, because these robots causes these robots to malfunction. Does that mean they're vulnerable to our moves, normal moves now? Yes. Duh. Yep, that. What he said. Rocket Kabushi. Bump. Booyah. It's the goal. Robot guards are now 1-0 down. 3-0. I want Mark to score. Where's Mark? If they have to force him, if they force us to play him on field anyway, I want him to score. Megaton head, level 1. Should have trained that a bit. Oh well. Invisible fake. Oh boy. Why is Axel there? That's problematic. I don't get why he's there even anyway. That's a oh no, that's not a shot. He had invisible fake, so he doesn't have a shot, so go hand should work. I don't even trust Darren to catch it. I need him to god hand it for me. Which luckily he's not that bad. That was great. I didn't mean to put Frost down, but I did. Stop going down all the time, even though I know I put you down. I said stop it! Fuck it, Land of Ice. If Attack's gone with a 1, I would have been disappointed beyond belief. Land of Ice! Okay, there we go, boys. Let's fire up for this. For Mark's first goal as an outfield player. Megaton. Quite a cool move, to be honest. Though I liked it better in the anime, as it's like, oh, he's trying to be a sweeper or a libero, and like he's not gonna make it, or no wait, it was against the match against the Diamond Dust. He tried to get back the goal, he wasn't gonna make it, he was outside penalty box, So he just kind of did Fist of Justice on his head, and that was Megaton head. It was such a cool moment, and here it's like, oh yeah, you got a TM manual, have fun with it. Though I guess that's like part of the fact, oh, we're limited to this amount of moves. Attack's done. Okay, sliding tackle. Hey, let's go. Come with me, FOD. I'm not gonna have time to get there to score, but hey. It'll be a second half, right? Oh, actually, no, it's half time. Whoops. Happens! These robots that we've been given, it's all about how we've played in the past. To pass me my old self. Give over, Sean. You know what it is. It's that move. Aiden, what do you mean, that move? Wait, I remember. Yes, we did it, Sean, we did it. Aye, we did it. A special move that combines the best of both of us. Let's call it Legendary Wolf. There we're Legendary Wolf. Now that me and Aiden are one, I can do it. Those robots won't know what hit him. Oh, guess I need to score with a... He got something to show us, eh? Sliding tackle. Wait a minute, I can use all my TP, it doesn't matter, because I'll get it back. Aurora dribble! Run, boy, run. One Aurora dribble should be all I need to get to the penalty area. To then shoot and score. Ta-da. I'm not the same Sean as I were before. I'll show this lot I can pull me weight. Here comes it. Me and Aiden's special move. Legendary Wolf. Let go. Another level move. I think in 3 actually like has some roars from a wolf on the background. Which makes it so much better. I might be wrong. I think in the anime definitely it has, which would be logical. Okay, sliding tackle. I mean, attack scan is a dribble move, so I guess it would succeed over a normal tackle. Bring it on, baby! They're fired up, which is problematic. Not necessarily the plan, but we'll give it a Eternal Blizzard guy. Question is, will he save it? Or will he fail miserably? He doesn't even try. Down. That's it, Ryman. Rio. Error. Okay. Time for Asteroid Belt. I need to put DM in the middle, I guess. Because the wide forwards go further up. And Axel then being further down isn't good for me. I mean, he can pull his weight there, don't get me wrong. Alrighty! Fireball Storm, level 1. Because if it evolves, it would be so much stronger for us to use. Yay! 5-0. Their security's not that strong. Did it say move level? No, it's a direct. Fuck. Okay, I straight up. Oh, yes, great, even better. Where's Aphrodite? There. So this there. Aphrodite going up. Aphrodite might already be your side. Why, Axel? I mean, Aphrodite might have been offside, so whatever. Axel's just a cuck. He wanted the glory for himself. Safety first, yeah, that's gonna... Oh wow! It didn't save it! I am beyond surprised. It's been 2 hours since I started recording, damn. Get in. Charge? Hey. Can I get Aphrodite up in time? Probably not, but hey, we'll try. If he runs onto the ball, which he doesn't, that's unfortunate. But hey. Fatal error, program terminated. Engaging system shut down. Oh, yeah, we won. Do we get level ups? Everyone level 30 except Aphrodite? Or including Aphrodite? No, not including Aphrodite. Oh, level 3 key, card key. Ideal. Intruders escaping. Eliminate. Eliminate. Boom. Whoa, what was that? I have a bad feeling about this. Oh no, they locked the door. What? Are we stuck in here? Is there a toilet? Is there? It's trapped. Coachina, that's strange. She's not coming through very clearly. Can you hear me, Coachina? Have we lost the connection to Coachina as well? This isn't good. The signal must be cut when the door's closed. I mean, what does he mean? It's quite obvious what he said. Story, story, story. They are doubting her. He's counting on her. There's a chest still there. Meanwhile, at the facility entrance. It looks like we've been cut off. I hope Mark and team are okay. Just before we were cut off, they said something about the doors being locked. Somebody must have trapped them in there. I hope Mark's okay. And the rest? There's stands to be your doing. I'll calm down, say Mark. Pointing the finger won't solve anything. We need to help them with the team. But we can't take the girls with us. It's alright, I'll go and lock the door alone. I'm familiar with the facility. I should be able to avoid any danger. Are you out of your mind? I'm going with you. What? Don't get me wrong, I'm not doing it for your sake. I just can't sit and do nothing while Mark and the team are in danger. And we also need to keep an eye on you. No. What are you talking about? We want to help the team too. There's no way you're... Are you really planning to leave 3 defensive girls alone in a place like this? I have to take my hat off to you 3. Aww. Are you sure you want to come? Blah blah blah. It's gonna be dangerous. All that good stuff. Blah blah blah. Come on, skip the story. Just end the chapter. It's been fun. Well. Oi oi! Oi oi! Detective and Coach Hillman going nuts. This is it. I just need to connect these wires and... I think it's unlocked. Mark, everyone. It's hot. Ooh. She's burning her hands. I can't leave them. I have to protect the team. Coaching, are you? The door, she opened it. Mark, team. Why is Mark the only one his name? Oh, team. Coach Lena. You're safe, thank goodness. What happened to your hands, coach? They're bright red. She forced the doors open with her bare hands. They were scorching hot. She did? Well, I mean, she wanted the dressing room back, basically. I guess she did a good thing. I'm getting to move in here. Yay. That's them. That's Lena. That's the chest. Silver shield pendant. I'm instantly equipping that to this man. There we go. This. I found the control panel thing. Really, Mark? You found it? Can we now, for the love of God, please get the final chapter going? There's some kind of weird construction hanging over that crystal. And look, all those pipes around it. Charge pipes. Bloody, 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 bloody. She's master hacker now. She's doing it all. I did it. They won't be able to draw any more energy out of the crystal now. Really? Woohoo! Back in ordinary human beings. I think it's time I told you everything. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, come on. Please keep that for the next chapter. It's got nothing to do with aliens. What? Oh, really now? Oh my... I mean, her name is Aquilina, so you could be forgiven. So yeah, they're all from like a orphanage that like...
I'm so Mark.
Oh!
I'll stop pretending to be your coach now. Thanks. I enjoyed every minute of it.
Such a random moment.
No!
What?
You weren't pretending. You're Coach Lena, our real coach. You always come up with the right tactics to help us win. You protected us from injury and you helped us get back on our feet when we lost. You can't just abandon us now.
Mark?
Well, there you have it, Coach Lena. It looks like you're stuck with Raimon, at least until they beat Alius.
Coach Hillman? He's right. Help us beat them, Coach Lena. All right. We'll do this together.
Yes, Coach!
Hang on a minute. If they aren't aliens, how do you explain all the crazy stuff they do? Disappearing after matches, those black footballs. All those are techniques created by Schiller Group researchers. They were just tricks my father used to convince the world that aliens had come to invade. Seriously, we were all completely convinced, and I mean... I feel like there were some things, I guess, that could have been doubted, but the big one is that aliens aren't supposed to be real. Oh! I knew you'd make it, Mark. Savior! It seems Storch and Gazelle have run off somewhere. Now Janissar, all their followers has left. Isn't that right, sis? Xavier! We're not blood relatives, but yes, all of us in the Alius Academy are orphans. We all lived at Sunshine Academy, the orphanage set up by our father. Lena used to treat me like her younger brother. So they were like brother and sister, but now they're fighting against each other. This is gripping stuff. It could be an anime word. Oh wait. Story. He doesn't want to betray his father. We've tried to become the best team ever too. But being the best isn't what football is about. Mark, have you quite finished chatting with your little friend, Xene? Oh, it's you, Bellatrix. Father is waiting. Come, we must prepare. We need to put these miserable wretches in their place. These, whatever. Oi, who are you calling miserable, you sour-faced so-and-so? Lol. Scott! Let's go. See you soon, Mark. We'll be waiting for you upstairs. Make sure you're properly prepared. Take good care of your team, sis. Something's not right. We've just cut off their supply of energy. But they didn't seem bothered in the slightest. Are you okay, Coach Lena? Don't worry, I'm fine. This is the... We have to stop them. We have to win. Yes, we do. We can't let them keep on making these superhumans. I know we can do it. You're the best team out there. I guarantee it. I have only one instruction to give you. Win this match. Yeah! Oh, that's the light again. That light again. It's even brighter than before. It's gone. What on earth is it? The light. Could it have been? Evans, team, if you're ready, let's do this. Yes, coach. I hope you're watching over us, Granddad. Still not. What's the blog have to say anyway? Oh yeah. Well,